Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw TRX from Trust Wallet to Kraken in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving your assets securely is key, especially with the evolving tech in the blockchain space. Whether you're cashing out for some real-world spending or just shuffling your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Kraken apps or websites ready. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app on your phone or device. Navigate to your TRX wallet. It's usually listed under your assets. If you don't see it, double-check that you've added TRX to your wallet. Next, hit the Send or Withdraw button for your TRX. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, which is your Kraken deposit address. Head over to Kraken, log into your account, and go to the deposit section. Select TRX as the cryptocurrency, and Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy that address carefully, double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Kraken address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so go ahead and approve it. Once the transaction is sent, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to show up on Kraken, depending on the Tron network's speed. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet for the transaction status and check Kraken's dashboard to confirm the deposit. A quick word of advice: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to stay secure. Also, be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts or additional fees that might apply in 2025. If you run into any issues, Kraken's support or crypto communities online can be a big help. There you have it. That's how you withdraw TRX from Trust Wallet to Kraken. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.